as promised. I believe it was very yummy and delicious. I've had some very, very good feedback. So thank you to the beautiful moms for cooking that tonight. So now we're going to move on to the next part of the night. Sorry, I know tonight is all about us talking, but it's really about recognition and why we're here today and the beautiful life that we have here in Australia as Eritreans. So one part of that was last Sunday we had the sports day, which is part of this festival. So on that day, last Sunday on the 25th of January, we had our young youth and under 8s actually playing in soccer and in different teams and other traditional games as well as athletics. So I've got Nobel Nalman here with me, who'll just speak on that a little bit and explain how that went and what we're doing today as we're going to be presenting medals to the winning teams.
Good evening, everybody. So last Sunday at our Eritrean Festival, we did something truly special. Not just football, but unity, culture, discipline, and pride. Today we are here to recognize our young soccer players who represented themselves, their families, and our community with passion and respect. They played hard, supported one another, and most importantly, carried themselves with pride as young Eritreans. So what we'll do today is we're going to be calling them up and calling them out based on their team names. So they were all broken up into teams just representing cities from Eritrea. The teams in which they were broken up into was Team Tesame, Team Avardat, Team Kerem, Team Asmara, Team Asan, and Team Batak. So yeah, I'll be calling the boys out and calling the girls out and we'll get to it.
Thank you, Nobel. Fantastic. Alright, can I just get Sue Bolton, Kidane Gumbet, and Andreas Abraham to come up here to help us present the medals. Thank you.
I'll be discussing the Team Asa and Team Bata who went head to head. So a part of Team Asa was Million Abraham. Will you please come up? Come on, Million. Josias Haftish. Josias Haftish. Alright, Noah Tesfit. Noah Tesfit? No? All good, alright. Joseph Gurra. No? Okay. Sam Berger. Alright, Sam. Ibrahim Idris. Ensmos Zamkir. Alright, moving on to Team Button, yeah? Adam Ta'agas. Solomon Orion. Anna Yosef. Diamond Kaseta. Lawhat Mishal. CM Binyam. Now moving on to Team Tessane. Hazen Mikel. Jonathan Kubron. Noah Abraham. Nahum Tufron. Yasin Idris. Benin Tamiru. Alright, moving on to Team Amardat, Murad Mohammed. Rashid Idris. Abdul Idris. Meron Yamane. Aven Tasfamkel. Almaz Tuvalamadın. Sanay Tapadanır. Hürmet Bünyan. Alright, moving on to Team Karen, Eliab Yosef. Hiyab Kasata. Abidan Bayane. CM Zabairat. Nadeo Yosef. Hiyab Berhane. Alright, moving on to Team Asmara. Elion Binyan. Faris Ta'agas. Steven Solomon. Isai Daniel. Yaren Tatragargish. Mati Abbas. Shalom Kinani. Alrighty. And now just moving on to the girls, alright? Romana Mohammed. Salihom Farazdi. Ferdas Mohammed. Hermon Barahat. Aryan Barahat. Yosan Daniel. Heaven Toiler. Feiruz Hijab. Abigail Kinane. Misgana Tasfi. All right, and we just had this one player in Team Hassan, Rafael Mogus. Alrighty, so now welcome to the participants who participated in the soccer festival last week. Very well done, boys and girls, and keep it up.